Hey, and one thing I always have running when I can is the Detox Maintenance. It's a preset made by very clever people. They made this preset that should like do all the good stuff for you. So it detox throughout the body toxins. It detox toxins from the kidney and liver, parasites in the intestines, toxics in the intestines as well, the lymphatic system, streptococcus pathogens, the lymph and detox. And we just run this, all the time because it's good to know that you can actually remove things like this through frequencies, not having to take all kinds of supplements, pills, or juicing, or this and that. It's very nice. You should try it. It's simple. Run it remote and it just runs 24/7. It's a 2 hour and 36 program. Yeah, try it.